Hi there, my name is Jonathan from Judge Group, and today we are in our stone workshop. I'll be showing you how we're able to produce granite and marble at a very affordable price. Let's go. As you can see behind me, we have this forklift that is removing the stone off the truck so that it can be taken to the machines that are cutting the stone. This is the raw material that is being prepared to be cut in the cutting machine. So this is the marble that will be taken over here. As you can see, the cutting is taking place. This process can take at least half a day. So that's equivalent to at least 12 hours.
After the block cutting is complete, we need to perform a simple inspection and registration of the rough board we cut.
Upon cutting the stone, it's now being separated over here. After the separation, it's now taken for drying. The process still continues. After being dried up, they are now taken over here to make sure that it has a smooth surface. They are now skimming the board to make sure that it comes out beautifully.
For most of the marbles, we need to add a back layer net, which makes it stronger, and also the over rotation of the marble, making it less prone to breakage during transportation and installation.
After the skimming is done, they are brought here now for polishing. This is the polishing machine. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This will ensure that it has a smooth surface with a shiny look.
As you can see, the overall brightness will be very high through the finely ground marble. The reflection effect is very good.
Finally, we have a finished product. As you can see, we have this gorgeous marble which looks very beautiful and ready for you.
After the marble polishing is complete, we will hoist the marble into the finished product area. We have a super large slab warehouse of more than 10,000 square meters. Most of the marble will go directly to our slab warehouse after processing and production. When our customers confirm that the plate can be produced, we will now move to a production and processing workshop. We have more than 5,000 square meters of processing and production workshop. Here we undertake all our sheet metal cutting, edging, slicing, typesetting, packaging and other works. After confirming the customer's size, our factory will make a list of sizes. Then our cutting workers will adjust the machine to cut according to the required size. We use an advanced automatic infrared bridge cutting machine with very high cutting precision. After the cutting is completed, for some panels with smaller width, we recommend the customer to carry out reinforcement treatment. This means adding iron to prevent the panel from breaking easily during installation and transportation. Generally, we will add reinforcement to the foot line or the stair board. When dealing with some walls and floorboards, we need to see the light from the side when we use marble in many places. At this time, we need to polish the edge according to the customer's needs. We can make bullnose, ease edge or other polishing. We have a professional automatic polishing machine which can be used for automatic polishing of marble edge, which greatly improves the efficiency of polishing and the effect of gloss. When all the processing is completed, we arrange and clean the boards according to the customer's needs. The typography is to make sure that the marble is more beautiful after installation. During this process, if necessary, we will carry out 6-sided waterproof treatment according to the needs of the customer.
Your stones are really protected. We have an extra cushion that protects the stones from getting scratches. Then also on top of that, we're going to add these foams on the edges so they're protected from any damages. Then they are protected in this wooden casing. Very strong and firm.
In the last step, we will load the packed marble into the container using the forklift. During this process, we have professional loaders who will reinforce it with wooden casts and cable strips to ensure that the wooden box will not move during transportation along the way.
After finishing packing the goods, this is our last container going to Qatar. If you have any inquiries, please leave them on the comment section and our sales team will get in touch with you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.